Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys. As you all know guys, that inside this particular video we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, I told you guys that this is a two combination of indicator and we are on step index 200 currently now. I want to show you how powerful this null repaint indicator can works with our breaking level and our unmitigated level and our mitigated level. As you can see, we have our breaker level, and inside this particular video I will show to you guys how you can use these two powerful indicator to trade your trade every day and make a lot of profit. So as you can see, we have an arrow signal in our chart, and we have our breaker level, which is our breaker. We have it also on mitigated level, we have it also on our breaker level. So this is how we are going to be using this indicator. Firstly, you have to wait for our arrow signal to appear. You have to wait for our arrow signal to first appear. As you can see, it appears here at this particular area that we have a down signal, and also reappear here that we have a down signal. So immediately it shows to us that we have a down signal. Now we will allow the price to move to our direction, and we are going to be taking that trade on our breaker level once it's aligned with this our signal. You can see this particular signal indicates to us that we have a downtrend, and we have a breaker level here that's aligned to us that we have a what? We have a downtrend. The reason why this breaker level is that we have a downtrend is because we have this our breaker level on the higher high. You can see it formed from the higher high level. That is why it's accurate with this particular signal, and this will be our entry confirmation for us to take the trade. And you can see what the trade did. The trade moved massively on a sell entry. You can see that. So in this particular area now, you will have taken a lot of profits with this. And also the trade also come back to that same level, you break it over and still give us another perfect entry at this particular area. So let me show you more of the signal so that you can see this is a signal again that shows to us that we have a uptrend. And after it showed to us that we have an uptrend, what's next we are going to be waiting for is our breaker level or our mitigated level that show that this our breaker level or mitigated level is aligned with this our last arrow that appear. You can see that immediately this particular this thing appear. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see. You can see that immediately it appear at this particular candlestick. You can see that our breaker level here it appear at this particular area or mitigated level. It's appear. Once it appear and it go alongside with this uptrend, you can see that it starts with our lower low. You can see that it starts with our lower low. That's to give you a confirmation entry, and you can see that your entry level will be somewhere around this place, and you can see you are going to take the trade massively on the uptrend up to this particular moment. So we keep on watching the trade, and now we have another signal here. This gives us an accurate entry because the both breaker level and our arrow signals appear on the same thing. So it gives us a perfect accurate entry for us to enter this particular trade on a downtrend. You can see that. So let's keep on watching. Let's keep on looking for more signal. You can see this is a signal that gives us that we have a downtrend signal. We have a downtrend. But see what the price did. The price moved towards the uptrend, and now we are looking for our breaker level on the upper high level. You can see this is the lower low level, so this is not accurate with this our signal. So we keep on watching again. Now we have another confirmation signal at this particular area for downtrend. Now we keep on watching again. We keep on looking for our mitigated or breaker level to appear and align with this particular arrow. You can see that. So we can see it does not appear. Then we keep on watching again. Now we have our arrow here. We have our arrow indicate that we have a uptrend, and we can see this unmitigated level is accurate with this our signal. You can see what the market did. The market pulled back up to this particular level. So now we have another confirmation entry at this particular area. You can see what happened. The trade keep on moving on a massive uptrend based on the current signal that we have last year. It did not have the chance to go up as high as it is, and now it gives us another confirmation entry here, and which help us to break this particular level on the upper side here. Now it gives us another signal here. You can see there's no any there's no any breaker level on that particular aspect. So that is how the trade keep on moving again until we have this particular area, which it said that we have a upper trend, the upper trend, but we can see we don't have any mitigated on the upper trend at this particular area. Before it give us another signal here, you can see we have our signal, our red arrow here for all downtrend, and immediately we have our unmitigated level on the same spot. So this gives us a massive downtrend, you can see, and you can see how the trade reversed up to this particular level. So that is how this particular indicator works. Now when the price get to this particular area, give us another uptrend, and you can see the uptrend is key keyword. After this uptrend, we are now looking for our mitigated level to appear. We can see we have our mitigated level to appear here, and it's aligned with this what? It aligned with this our last arrow that we see here, and we can see that it worked on the what? On the uptrend. So our entry will be somewhere around there, and we can see what the market did massively to this level, up to this level. You can see that. So now we have another signal again for downtrend, but we are unfortunately we did not see our mitigated or unmitigated for downtrend, so that is not right for us to take. Now let's see, maybe we are having another trend again. You can see, yes, we have another trend. See this, we have our downtrend here, another downtrend here. Now what we are going to be waiting for is our mitigated or unmitigated level for downtrend. You can see it's aligned with this particular our mitigated level here, because it's on a downtrend, and we can see our mitigated level here that starts with our what? Our higher high. So with this particular trend now, once it appeared, then our entry will be somewhere around there, You can see what the price did. The price go on a massive downtrend. It reverses back to that same level and give us a bear shootout for the price to move according to that direction. You can see now we have another uptrend here, but there's not any confirmation. So that is how we keep on moving on the trade. Now we have another downtrend here. We don't have any confirmation. The last one we have here is the uptrend for the signal. So we keep on watching again until we have our best confirmation level to enter. Now we have another one here which showed that we have a downtrend, which is the red arrow that we see here. It showed that we have a downtrend. You can see now after we have the downtrend, what we are going to be waiting for is our unmitigated level for downtrend level, that aspect. Then we are going to be watching how it's going to appear here. You can see it's aligned with this our red arrow here. As we all know that this our red arrow it does not reprint. Once it appear, it stay permanently, guys. So you can see this our mitigated appear at this particular level, and it's aligned with this our arrow here, which is also on the on a higher high level. You can see what the market did on the price. It go massively on downtrend. So that is how this perfect indicator works. So guys, for you to have this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you're going to get access to admin, and I'm going to reply you and provide you this indicator. This indicator is not for free. It's only for people who are ready for change, guys. So thank you guys. See you guys in our next video. Thanks.